1971. We prepared and we won. 2025. We are prepared and we will win. Three simple goals: deny visibility, confuse attackers, and protect critical infrastructure. After 54 years, Bharat is preparing for another conflict, and this time it may be even more complex and far reaching. In the early hours of Wednesday morning at around 2 am, the Indian Armed Forces launched a precision airstrike on terror camps operating in Pakistan occupied territory. This comes in direct retaliation for the recent Pahalgam terror attack, which claimed the lives of 26 innocent Hindus. The message was clear: India will not stay silent. But while one front was in action, the other was in preparation. With cross-border tensions now at their highest in years, mock drills have transformed into a national priority. This is no longer about what if, but when. These are not drills, but survival strategies. On the night of May 7, 2025, cities across India will plunge into darkness. 259 districts, from bustling metros to quiet townships, will shut off their lights. But this won't be a power failure. This is a planned civil defense blackout drill, a wartime measure revived after 54 years. A shrill alarm will sound. Street lights, homes, and businesses will switch off in unison. Families will wait indoors. Emergency responders will navigate through shrouded streets. And for a brief moment, India will practice how to safeguard itself through silence and resilience, just as it did during the 1971 conflict with Pakistan. Lessons from 1971. Blackouts as a defense tactic are not new. 54 years ago, before the 1971 war, Indian cities prepared for aerial bombardments from Pakistani fighter jets. Delhi, Kolkata, Agra, and towns near western border went dark at night, an essential trick to fool enemy pilots. Back then, air raid sirens signaled each blackout. Citizens rushed to cover windows with blankets. Vehicles doused their headlights. There are speculations that even Rashtrapati Bhavan was in camouflage. The drill in 2025. And now in 2025, after the Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd, which has escalated tensions between India and Pakistan, the Ministry of Home Affairs in response has ordered one of the largest civil defense drills since the Cold War era. This time the blackout isn't limited to border towns, it's nationwide. Government offices, schools, transport hubs and residential societies will participate. The lights will go out, and for those moments, India will rehearse for the worst case scenarios: an aerial threat, missile strike, or cyber-induced citywide power failure. We will be ready. It's about nationwide discipline, knowing how to react, when to take cover, and ensuring every citizen plays a role in national security. India won the war in 1971. We will win the fight against terrorism in 2025. But these blackouts teach us that the greatest defense isn't firepower, it's preparedness.